Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a quick walkthrough of a traveler's notebook that I finished. So this cover I actually made because I have a lot of Puffy stickers in my stash that are really cute, but I never have any way to use them. So I thought, you know what, I will just stick them on a piece of cardboard, and I added a little Mod Podge to make sure they were secure, and that was that there, and I was very pleased with how that turned out there for the cover of this little album. And I have process videos for most of these layouts, which I will link down below, which has a bit more information about the different products and things that I'm using. Most of these are digital kits that I've printed out. So if you also enjoy a little high-bid scrapbooking, there are lots of good resources here for you. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.